today we are going to see here the very first poem of first unit, Life 1.1. Okay, there are some warming up activities. First we are going to see the warming up activities. There are some questions have given, that is there are many popular lines like life is a game, play it well, life is a journey, keep going ahead. Means that is life is compared with many things. Life is a game, that is it is a metaphorical use of life is done here. Life is a game, play it well, means here comparison between life and game. Second, life is a journey, keep it going ahead. Discuss and write a few such metaphorical lines about life. You can make them yourself. Means we are going to see here that life is going to be compared different things with a game, with a journey. Means some similarities are there in life and the game, in life and journey. Life is a very long one, continuous, we have to travel like journey. Life is a game, play it well, means there are number of problems are there. If we played well, then only we can win. Like this, there are number of comparisons between the life and the game and the journey. Like this sentences you have to make here. Okay, thereafter, that is life is a ice cream, that enjoy it before it melts. Like this, a number of comparative things we can done here, metaphorical lines we can make which is related with life. Thereafter, second question is there, prepare as many acrostics using the word life as you can. Two examples are given. Acrostics means like this, that is using the first letter. We are going to be make a new thing from here. L-I-F-E, life. L means live, I means in, F for freedom, and E for ever. Live in freedom ever. Okay. Second acrostic has made here L-I-F-E, life. L means liberty, I means integrity, F means fraternity, and E means equality. Like this, life. Here two acrostics have given to us, and you can turn it into a number of that things, many things we can make here which is related to life. Using a time limit, make sure your acrostics are related to life. Means this type of new acrostic related to life we are going to be make. Okay, then next one. Next, third question is there, listen carefully and write the word in the appropriate column. Here two columns have made, positive feelings and the negative feelings, and the teacher would ask you the different feelings here: hopeful, lonely, happy, jealous, surprised, shy, loving, proud, cheerful, anxious, nervous, excited, embarrassed, scared, silly, comfortable, peaceful, again depressed, enthusiastic, motivated, inspired, threatened, crushed, angry. Like this, a variety of words have given here. We are going to be separate them in positive feelings and the negative feelings. For example, hopeful it should be positive, lonely negative, happy positive, jealous negative, surprised positive, shy negative, loving that positive, proud negative, cheerful positive. Like this, you have to separate the rest of the all the feelings giving into the column. Okay, now the next thing we are going to see here, note that it is possible to feel both kinds of emotions at the same time. Have you experienced it? Why? To describe the situation in short. Means sometimes negative feelings are also we are going to be expressed, or we are going to be feel, and sometimes that is a positive feeling also there same time. When our result is there, that time sometimes we get nervous also, depressed, and we are happy also that we are going to be get the result today. Like this, both the feelings are there sometime. Okay, like this also, if you are having an experience about it, you can describe that situation in short. Now we are going to be turned towards the poem Life. That it is the poem written by Charlotte Bronte. The writer is Charlotte Bronte, and who is that? She is a poetess. and she is having the different feelings in her life, different experience in her life, and because of this there is some that her own biographical feelings or the ideas we can see here. The note of biography is given in this poem. Life, believe, is not a dream so dark as sages say. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. See, there is how she is going to be describe the life, believe, she is going to tell us, believe it is, that it is not a dream. Life is not a dream, okay? So dark as sages say. What the sages say? The life is a dark dream. But what she is going to be make us sure that life is not a dream. So dark as sages say means what she told, life is not a dream, dark dream. But the sages says life is a dark dream. Sages means a knowledgeable person who is going to be live into that a lonely life, isolated life, okay? Sadhu santa आपण म्हणतो ना तसे sages, okay? Oft a little morning rain. Oft means often means many time, regularly. That often a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Little morning rain means at the morning, if little rain is there, we can tell that the day would be really pleasant. Foretells means tell the future, okay? म्हणजे सकाळी सकाळी थोडंसं पाऊस झाला तर झिरमीर आपल्याला काय वाटतं, आता आजचा दिवस छान जाणार आहे की नाही. मीन्स लाईक दिस, ऑफ्ट अ लिटिल मॉर्निंग रेन फोरटेल्स अ प्लीजंट डे. Then sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? That is, sometimes what happens, there are clouds of gloom. Clouds of gloom means there is a comparison. Metaphor is used for the problems in the life, sorrows in the life. And sometimes clouds of gloom is there, problems are there, sorrows are there in our life. But these are transient all. Transient means what? Temporary. These are not permanent in life. We have seen in the life happiness are there and the sorrows are also there. The happy moments also pass away and the sorrows also pass away. Means what? Nothing is permanent in the life. Everything it is transient, temporary. And there are clouds of gloom means sorrows are also there, but these are transient all, means these are temporary, these are not permanent in our life. After sometimes they will go away from our life. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh why laments its fall? If the shower means what? Rainfall. It will make the roses bloom. Roses are going to be bloom means shower would be there, when rain would be there, then only everywhere the flowers, roses, grasses are going to be bloom. But what? Oh, why lament its fall? Though, that is, shower is going to be make something good. It make the roses bloom. Though we are going to be lamenting its fall. Lament means what? To express sadness. Okay. डिस्कंटेंट. पाऊस पडला तरी आपण ओरडत असतो, होय की नाही. पण पावसामुळे काय होतं, सगळीकडे रोजेस ब्लूम होतात, म्हणजे सगळीकडे हिरवळ होते, सगळीकडे फुलं येतात, तरी सुद्धा आपल्या पावसाच्या नावाने आपण ओरडत असतो. त्याला वी आर गोइंग टू बी एक्सप्रेस आर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट, ओके, ओव्हर द शॉवर. मीन्स द शॉवर्स आर गोइंग टू बी मेक द रोजेस ब्लूम, दो वी आर गोइंग टू बी लॅमेंट इट्स फॉल. Then, rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours fleet by. Rapidly, merrily. Rapidly means very fast. They are running very fast. Merrily means happily. Life's sunny hours fleet by. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours fleet by. Fleet by means run away. We know that is as the sorrows are temporary, happiness also temporary. Happiness also run away very fast. The happy sunny hours. Sunny hours means good. Clouds, it going to be experience that it is going to be express the sorrows, and the sunny hours experience the happiness. means as the sorrows are pass away, sunny hours also pass away. Life sunny hours flit by, means rapidly, very fast. As the sorrows are going to be away from our life, the sunny hours means the happiness also run away very fast. Gratefully, cheerily enjoy them as they fly. Gratefully means thankfully, means we should thankful about them. And cheerily, happily, we have to enjoy them as they fly, otherwise they will fly away. Yeah, before they fly, before they run away, flit by, we have to thankfully and happily enjoy them. Means the happy moment from our life, we have to enjoy them. Means as the sorrows are temporary, the happiness is also temporary, and we have to that enjoy the happy moments in our life as they run away, as they fly. What though death at times steps in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seem to win over hope a heavy sway? Here an autobiographical factor has given, the fact has given from her life. As you know about Charlotte Bronte, she were the there are three sisters, Charlotte Bronte, and two of her sisters were died in very early age, and because of this she has experienced her sorrows about the death of her dear sisters. What though death at times steps in? Death steps in mean what? Death is coming inside our house, okay, and to take and calls our best away. Calls means take away. Our best means the people who are near to us, dear to us, our relatives, our parents, our siblings, आपले भाऊ बहीण, आपले जवळची लोक. And what happened? Death at times steps in and calls our best away. What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway? And what that time what we thought, sorrow seems to win. Seems means only we look like it, but exactly the sorrow is not going to be win. Only we we thought like that the sorrows are going to be win and the happiness is going to be that lose here, okay. Over hope a heavy sway. Hope over, that is means the sorrow is going to be that defeat the hope. Hope is a heavy sway. Sway means what here? A controlling influence. The hope is having a great influence. Means sorrow having the great influence over hope here. Okay. Means we thought the sorrows are going to be win and the happiness or the hope is going to be lose in our life. When it is going to be happen? When we thought, that is the death at times steps in, death comes and take our near dear people away from us, and that time we thought the sorrows are going to be win and the hope is going to be lose, okay. Yet hope again elastic spring, unconquered though she fell, she still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. And what happened then? Yet hope again elastic spring, means we thought the sorrows are going to be win and the hope is going to be lose, but it is not going to be happen like this. The hope like a elastic spring, we have seen the spring is there, how we are going to be press it again, from it is going to be come, that means with the double speed it is going to be again come out like this. Means as we are going to be try to suppress it, press it again with a double force it come out. The hope is like a elastic spring, as the sorrow is going to be suppress the hope. Unconquered she fell, but it remain unconquered. Unconquered means undefeated. We cannot, sorrows cannot defeat the hope. It remain unconquered. Though she fail, means sometimes she fail, doesn't matter, but she remain unconquered. अजिंक्य आहे, कोणीही जिंकू शकत नाही होपला. काही वेळेला ती फेल होते, इट इज गोइंग टू बी फेल, but it remain unconquered. Still buoyant are her golden wings, and still buoyant. Buoyant means what? That which can rise upward, means yet it is ready to fly. The wings of that hope, they are ready, always ready to fly. Means though sometimes it fail, again it stand up and again it is ready to fly with its golden wings. Means here hope and the sorrows are going to be personified, because who is going to be win? the sorrow, and sorrow, the winning is the activity of the human beings which is given to the sorrow, means here sorrow is personified. And here hope is personified. Hope remain unconquered. She fail, means she means what here, human being, means what, hope is also personified. Okay, still buoyant are her golden wings, means though sometimes she fail, still buoyant. Buoyant means ready to rise, means her wings are ready to again fly very high. So golden wings have given. Golden means which is not going to be, the gold is not going to be end, the gold is not going to be decayed, it is not going to be rusted, means that it is the symbol of immortality. So as the hope is immortal, again it is going to be stand up, though it is going to be fell. Still strong to bear us well, and it is still strong to bear us well, means again the hope is try to bear us, means we have seen a number of problems in our life, number of that things are going to be happen in our life which is very, we don't want to happen this type of things. Someone is going to be die with our dear one, near one, that is the death is going to be take our dear person, it is going to be happening in our life, but we stop living there, we give up living. No, that is because it is only because of the hope. Hope is there in our life. So again we started to live the life happily, manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. See, manfully means strongfully, you should have that strength strongly, that manfully, fearlessly, without fearing, the day of trial bear. Day of trial means the whenever the problems are there in our life, that is day of trial, and we have to bear these days, these problems, these sorrowful days, how? Manfully and fearlessly. For gloriously and victoriously can courage quell despair. And if means for gloriously, nobly, worthily, we have to fight with it. And victoriously, victorious means winningly, that we are going to be conquer this war. Though the trial is there, though the very hard time is going on in our life, we have to fight it manfully and fearlessly. Then only gloriously, nobly and victoriously can courage quell despair. And the courage only can quell. Quell means what? End, suppress डिस्पेअर. तर वॉट एव्हर डिस्पेअर, निराशा जी आपल्या लाईफमध्ये असते ती फक्त कोण घालवू शकतं? करेज. इफ वी आर हॅव्हिंग द करेज वी कॅन क्वेल द despair. That is the thing has told by Charlotte Bronte. As I have told, that is there some autobiographical factors are given in this poem. That is Charlotte's sisters, two of her sisters were died in very early age, and because of this she has written this poem. That is a number of sorrowful things are going to be happen in our life, but we should not give up. We have to stand again, and we have to fight with these things, and we have to conquer it. Okay, that is only the message given by the Charlotte Bronte. Got it? Then here, what do the sages say? What do the sages say? That is, sages says that life is a dark dream. What she has told, life is not a dark dream, but the sages say life is a dark dream. What I have told, life is a dark dream. That is the sages says. But what the poetess says, life is not a dark dream. Okay. What does the rain often foretell? The rain often foretells the pleasant day. Then the next one, what should we do during the joyful times in life? What do we have to do during the joyful times? We have to gratefully, cheerily, we have to enjoy them as they fly, because they fly away very fast. So we have to enjoy them gratefully and cheerily. Who does our best refer to? Our best means our relatives, our siblings, our parents who are dear one and near one to us. Our best means the people who are dear to us and are near to us. Okay. Why the wings of the hope golden? Because the gold is, we know gold is rust free. Now it is immortal. The gold is the symbol of immortality. Like this, the hope is also immortal. It is not going to be end. It is not going to be die. And because of this, the wings of the hope are golden, because it is not going to be end. Okay. So here we are going to be stop this. Okay.